Hey everybody, I'm Josh for Populi, and you know that I love to hear and see myself talk on camera. But everyone else is sick of me. They're sick of hearing me talk about Populi. So now it's time for everyone to be sick of hearing you talk about Populi. We're looking for customers to share videos about what makes Populi great so we can use them to promote Populi online. But this isn't your first time around the block. You're thinking to yourselves, what's in it for me? How does a free Populi t-shirt just for submitting a video sound? And if a free t-shirt isn't enough to tempt you, what about the chance to be selected to receive one of 3 Amazon gift cards for $100 American? Our 3 favorites win big. In order to get your name in the mix, here's what we'll need from you. Share a 30 to 60 second video of you talking about how you use Populi. Be sure to include your name, your position, and optionally the school you work for. And you just have to submit your video by this date here. Ideally, you'd use the selfie camera on your phone to record the video, but we'll accept webcam footage too. Everything you need to know is either in this video or on the submission form, which you'll find linked below. That form contains a few things, including a legal release and a file upload field. Those are the basics. Make a short video and submit it via the linked form. But let's look at some tips and details about making and uploading your video. The easiest way to get the video uploaded will be to record the video in the camera app on your phone, navigate to the submission form on your phone, and upload the video from there. At the end of this video, we'll cover this process in detail in case you need further help. Probably the 2 most important things are that we can see and hear you well. So, we recommend finding a quiet, well-lit room and making sure that your light source is in front of you. Here I am shooting a video with a light source and a bunch of other stuff behind me. And here I am with the light source in front of me. I look good. Huge difference. We want you to tell the world whatever it is about Populi that makes your life a little better. But if you're really gunning for one of those gift cards, here's the kind of thing that we find the most powerful. Remember these 3 beats. My institution had a problem. We started using Populi. We solved or began solving the problem. So for example, hey, I'm Josh, a registrar with Populi University, and my institution wanted to increase enrollment from 3 to 20. But in our old SIS, it took our admissions staff weeks to get even 1 student through the process. So we looked at Populi and we found that we could accept students with a couple clicks. That convinced us to sign up. Our first fall with Populi saw us beating our enrollment goal of 20 students. We started the term with 32, and enrollment continues to grow. Thanks, Populi. Specifics about your problem and specifics about how Populi helped solve it really help other folks get a vision for how Populi can help them. That said, we'll take whatever you got. If you just love support and how intuitive the software is, let us know. Okay. Some further instructions on uploading beginning now. On iPhone, after you've recorded your video in the camera app, open the submission form and scroll down to the section titled Upload Your Video here. There, tap the gray file upload field and a few options will appear. Depending on your phone's settings, you might get a dialog asking for permission to use your camera and microphone or for access to your photos. If you do see those, just be sure to allow them. If you recorded your video in the camera app, it should be saved to your photo library by default. So just select that and then tap your video. Then on this screen in the top right, you'll just need to tap done and the video will begin uploading. Wait for your video to finish uploading. You should get text that says complete there, and then be sure to fill out the rest of the form. Read the waiver, sign it, and click submit. On Android, after you've recorded your video in the camera app, open the submission form and scroll down to the section titled Upload Your Video here. There, tap the gray file upload field and a few options will appear. Depending on your phone's settings, you might get a dialog asking for permission to use your camera and microphone or for access to your photos. If you do see those, just be sure to allow them. Select Files and then under Browse Files and Other Apps, tap Photos and then into Camera. Select your video and the upload should begin immediately. Wait for your video to finish uploading. You should get text that says complete there, and then be sure to fill out the rest of the form, read the waiver, sign it, and click submit. And that's how you'll get your video uploaded. And that's it for this video. Thanks so much for helping us spread the good word about Populi.